Do you think there was Three Little Pigs would be appropriate?
There were.
There
Three
were.
little pigs.
There were. Do we have were? Yes, we do. Okay. So once upon a time, there were three little pigs. Okay. Okay, read on. One dash.
One lived.
One
One
lived.
lived.
No, one lived a house. No. No. One
built.
built. Good. One built a house with straw. Okay. Okay. One.
Build. Build.
Okay. Can we have another word for built?
Build.
Made. Excellent. Made a house with wood. And the other.
Tried. Tried.
Okay. Are you sure? Tried bricks. Other tried bricks. Or other.
Blue. Blue. Blue.
No. Blue bricks.
Blue.
No. Okay. Let's have tried because I'm not too sure. You can say used. You can say used. Other used bricks. Right? Okay. Let's come to the next
One day-
sentence. Okay. Read on. Read on. One day.
One day a big bad bull came
Came. Good. Came. Okay. And
and flew and ate and flew and blew
and blew to destroy the houses.
to
No.
destroy.
Tried. Tried is good. And tried to destroy the houses. Okay. He dashed on each house. He
Flew.
blew. Good.
He
He
flew.
He blew. He blew on each house. The houses of straw and wood dashed down.
Fell down.
Good.
And
Fell down. And
Down.
he
Bill
now what did he do with the pigs?
ate the pigs.
Ate. Good. He ate the pigs. Okay. The house of bricks dashed very strong. Is no
Was.
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 Why was? Because it's a story. So its story is always in past tense. Was very strong. So the final pig dashed a long and happy life. Lived. Very good. Okay, lived. I want you to read the whole story for me, please.
I want to read a story.
Okay, I'll ask you for the next story. Don't worry.
Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. One built a house with straw, one made a house with wood, and the other used brick. One day, a big bad wolf came and tried to destroy the house. He blew on each house. The house of straw and wood fell down, and he ate the pigs. The house of brick was very strong,
So the final pig lived a long and happy life. Okay, good.